What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the OpenAI API with Python. So this is going to be for beginners who want to get started with OpenAI API. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In order to get started with the OpenAI API, you first need to install the library for Python. So I'm going to simply say pip3 install OpenAI. If you're on Windows, simply do pip install OpenAI and you should be good to go. So you can see it's saying that I have already installed it. So let's create a file named main.py, and within this file I'm going to say from OpenAI import OpenAI, just like this. And then I'm going to define a client for OpenAI and set it equal to OpenAI. And I need to pass in an argument which is going to be the API key. So I'm going to say API key. Now I need to grab this API key from the OpenAI API dashboard. So you can go to this link platforms.openai.com, and then you can come here to this API keys section and click on create new secret key. You can name it or just click on create secret key and copy the API key. Don't share it with anyone else. Remember that. Now go back to your Visual Studio Code and paste it right here between these double quotes. Now, this is actually everything that we need in order to communicate with the OpenAI API. Now I'm going to store the response in a variable and set it equal to client.chat.completions.create. And within this, I'm first going to say model equals to GPT 3.5 turbo, because I'm going to use that model. And then I'm going to say messages equals to a list of dictionaries. And the first key is going to be the role. And let's keep the role as user. And the second one is going to be content. So this is actually the prompt that we are going to send to the model. So in our case, let's say list 10 animals, then comma, and I'm going to set stream equals to false because I don't want to stream the response. And finally, I can come here and say print response dot choices 0 dot message dot content. So this is going to give me the response back. I'm going to save the file, run it, python3 main.py, and let's wait. So the API is taking too long to respond. If this happens to you as well, you can simply interrupt the program by pressing Ctrl+C, and I'm going to run it again. This happens sometimes with the OpenAI. And you can see this time we get a response back. We get a list of 10 animals. Now let's change our prompt to something else. Let's say, what are large language models? Save it, run the file again. And you can see I get the response back. Large language models refer to powerful artificial intelligence models that are trained on enormous amounts of text data in order to generate human-like text responses. So we are getting the responses back as well. Now you can build anything with this API. So yeah, let me know what are your plans to build with the OpenAI API, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.